This is a Pecha Kucha style presentation on Georgia State Parks. You can hike Tallulah Gorge to the gorge floor on a huge staircase and also walk on the suspension bridge. This is Amicalola State Park, and it has strenuous hiking, waterfalls, and beautiful scenery. It's the southern starting point for the Appalachian Trail. This is Cloudland State Park in the northwest corner of Georgia. Sitten Gulch Creek cut the canyon from 1,800 feet in elevation down to 800. This is Black Rock Mountain State Park. It's in the northeast corner of the state near North Carolina. It's named for its sheer cliffs of dark-colored metamorphic rock. This is Red Top Mountain State Park, and it is near Lake Altoona. It's a beautiful place for boating and hiking, and it's near Cartersville. This is Tougaloo State Park, and it's in the northeast border of Georgia with South Carolina. This is Lake Hartwell, where it's got huge bass fishing tournaments and water skiing. This is FDR's favorite place. It's the overlook at Dowell's Knob at FDR State Park. He's got his little White House there and his Liberty Bell pool. This is High Falls State Park, and it's the largest waterfall south of Atlanta. There used to be a prosperous town here until the railroad bypassed it in the 1800s. This is Providence Canyon, and it's known as Georgia's Little Grand Canyon. It was formed by erosion from bad farming practices back in the 19th century. And this is Skidaway Island State Park. It's near Savannah, Georgia. The boardwalk and the observation tower are part of a network of trails that wind through the salt marshes. The end. That's 1 minute and 38 seconds, which is 2 seconds shy of what you will have for your presentation. 1 minute and 40 seconds. That's a 10 by 10 Pecha Kucha. But there's more. Typical PowerPoint style presentations, the words are all over the screen and it's way too much to process. The presenter usually reads the slide to you in the lecture form, and you don't know what to look at. You're in the audience now. Do you know what to look at on this slide? There's too many bullet points. The audience simply cannot read while you're reading to them, and the picture is not big enough to entertain their focus. Reading and listening causes what's called a painful feedback loop for the audience, and they're exhausted, and they don't learn anything. So Pecha Kucha takes the best part of the presentation and makes the audience enjoy the process. The greatest feature of the slide presentation is the images. Typical PowerPoint style presentations waste this asset. Images are wrecked with bullet points, sub-bullet points, sub-sub-bullet points, small pictures in the corner, afterthoughts at best, pointless graphics and colors that make it hard to read or add nothing at all to the actual presentation. At the end of a regular presentation, the audience feels like you are sitting in a traffic jam going nowhere fast. Pecha Kucha style in Google Slides are super logical to make. They turn messy, crowded presentations into organized, sleek, efficient, and more effective presentations. First, you need to already have your topic in mind. What do you like to do? Watch, read. What do you like to play, eat, mess with? Or what do you like to spend time doing? Pecha Kucha presents what you know about. You're only a kid, but you know stuff. Soccer, Minecraft, types of dogs, insects, beaches, books, music, fashion, cars, places you want to visit, capital cities, flags, road signs, stuff you learn in school, rides at amusement parks, trees, clouds, hot air balloons, types of weather. You just need to be able to find 10 pictures about your topic. They all need to relate about your topic, and then you need to talk about them for 10 seconds each. It's okay to need to look something up about your topic. That's fine. But you don't want to have to look up all of your presentation. That'll take too long. So this style turns those messy, crowded presentations into organized and efficient presentations. So you take your topic. Number 2, open a Google slideshow. Number 3, insert one title slide. It's called title slide. 4, you're going to write your title and whatever other details your teacher wants, like your class, grade, date, etc. Number 5, you are going to insert the second slide. Use the caption or the blank slide. You can also just delete all the text if you have another type of slide up, but caption and blank are the easiest. Number 6, when you click on the slide, you will see a toolbar that says background. Click background. 7, a pop-up appears. Click choose image. Number 8, click Google image search and then type in your search. 9, find an image you like to click and hit insert. And 10, you're going to repeat steps 5 through 10 until you have 10 slides. And that's it. Modified Pecha Kucha is 10 by 10. It's like learning to sail on a smaller boat instead of the 20 by 20 super fast sailboat. The presenter speaks on each slide for about 10 seconds. The slide auto-rotates or moves to the next slide at 10 seconds. This works out to about 1 minute and 40 seconds of speaking. There are 0 to 9 words on a screen, unless it's the title screen. That's it. If you can get away with no words, that's great. The only thing that words are needed for is names or places. You've got no bullet points and no small picture in the corner. Pecha Kucha 2020 is an actual real-life style. Adults use it all over the world all the time. They've actually got little competitions at coffee shops. It's kind of cute. They're like mini TED Talks, and you can really learn some interesting things from interesting people. Everybody knows something about something, okay? Pecha Kucha is all about the efficiency of presentations. They're short, they're to the point. It's smooth sailing on calm waters with really big sailboats. Fast, fast, fast. The audience knows it only has to listen to 5 minutes and 40 seconds of a presentation. So even if you're boring, no big loss. Everybody learns something. The presenter speaks for 20 slides, 20 images, 20 seconds. Thus, 20 by 20. Pecha Kucha is Japanese slang that means chit-chat or friendly talking among friends. So, let's get chatting and create a modified Pecha Kucha 10 by 10. Your audience will thank you.